Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking succulents, still so fabulous. There's many different ways to use them. Sometimes you'll have a succulent that grows up too tall, naked. With those, oftentimes you can just cut it and use it just like a flower stem. Set that down into the arrangement, and yes, after the flowers die, you can replant it and it will continue to grow. So the easiest, just using the natural stem. Another alternative, if it doesn't have a long stem, use a skewer. Pierce straight into the base, get it nice and solid, then using Oasis Flow Adhesive Cold Glue, bit of glue on that joint, let it dry solid, and you can use that to set it right into your arrangement. So too quick and easy. Another option, 18 gauge wire, pierce through, bend down, then using your corsage tape, go ahead and tape a stem right on. A little bit slower than using the skewer, but if you don't happen to have a skewer or some other stick, this gives you an alternative. Ready to go. Lastly, if you have one that doesn't have a good stem, go ahead and cut it totally flat. Then using your Oasis Flow adhesive right on the base, and let that begin to dry. Then an anchor pin right on the base. Let that begin to dry. And then you can bond them right together so that you can set that down into an arrangement, just like so. Each technique works well to create a fresh flower arrangement with the succulents included. Now you know how the pros do it.